Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to transfer all of your Telegram data to a new phone quickly and safely. So without further delay, let's get straight into it. Now, the good thing about Telegram is that almost all of your data is stored in the cloud. So moving to a new phone is very simple and very easy. You don't need any kind of backups or file transfers like other applications. So first of all, you need to simply just download the Telegram application from Google Play Store or App Store in your new device. Now you can also open any of the web browsers in your new phone, and here too you can just simply search for Telegram login. Now once you are here on the login page, it is going to ask you to provide the phone number on which you have your Telegram account available. So you need to simply provide that particular account number of yours on which you have your Telegram account and the data of which you want to get in your new phone's application. Now, as soon as you do this, it is going to basically send you the login code on your old phone. So here on your old phone's telegrams, you just have to look for the code. Here you need to simply provide your code. Once you do this, you will notice that all of your chats, your groups, channels, saved messages, your profile settings and your profile picture, all of these are going to be loading successfully and automatically, because as I've told you earlier, they are stored on Telegram's servers, basically on cloud and not in your device. So here, once you have opened all of your data here in your new phone, you just have to go to the settings of your old device. Over here, simply go to the option of the devices. Here in this list, it is going to show you all of the devices in which your account is opened. So you just have to remove it from your old device and you can now safely use it in your new device. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.